Hello Inventor, so in this video I'm going to show you how we can create splash screen in MIT App Inventor. So here we go. Click on new project and my project name is splash screen. So you can see that's our first screen. So whenever you start your app, so every time you'll see in a lot of apps, they will show you the logo for a few seconds. Okay, so let's do this. So for that, I'm going to use your layout. In the left side, you'll find the layout and just drag and drop the vertical arrangement like this and make this height and width is fill parent like this. Okay. Now I'm going to use here one image. So in the left side, you'll find the user interface. Just drag and drop one image component like this. Click on vertical arrangement and make this in a center like this. Now I'm going to use here one logo. You can use any image here. Okay. So click on the image, click on upload file and click on choose file. I have that one image. So let me just upload that image here. It's done. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just select that picture like this here to this. Now I need to set that height and width. So I'm going to just make this height fill parent like this and width is fill parent. So like this. Okay. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. Okay. So for that, I'm going to make this percentage to like 60% like this. And the width is also 60%. Okay. I'm going to make the background color of that vertical arrangement like this logo. So click on the vertical arrangement, click on background color, use the custom, and I'm going to use that background color. So it's look fantastic. Now in the left side, you will find the linear progress. Just drag and drop it like here. Now, intermediate color that should be, you can make it white like this. Okay. And progress bar color, you can make that custom and use the same color that you are using for your background. Now it's done. Now what I need to do here, I'm going to use here the timer. In the left side, you'll find the sensor option and just drag and drop the clock like this. And time intervals should be 2 or 3 seconds. It means 3000. And timer always fire should be unchecked. Timer should be enabled. Go to the block and I'm going to go to the design. Make sure I'm going to just visual off this vertical arrangement and I'm going to add another layout. This is our main screen or something that will display after the splash screen. So just I'm going to use here one simple, is like a text box for login or something like that. Okay. So it's just our screen. So I'm going to just make both things in a center like this and change that button text to login. Okay, like this. So this is another screen. Now let's just visual off. Make sure visual off for this vertical arrangement one. Go to the block. Once the timer will fire, then I need to just hide that vertical arrangement one. That should be false. Okay, like this. And make sure that another vertical arrangement means 2. 2 should be true. Like this. Okay. And make sure this is one most important thing is we need to disable the timer. The timer enable should be false. Like this. Okay. Now let's go to the design and let me just run this app on my phone and let's see how this will work. So you can see whenever you open an app, so your app will look like this. See, there's one bar and there's one logo and after automatically 3 seconds that your main screen will open. Let me just refresh this app. Okay. And using the here app companion and let's see. See, this is really cool and amazing. Okay. So that's the splash screen. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel, like this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.